Beep beep, hi there, I'm Luther the school bus. Are you ready for some back-to-school fun? Oh look, here comes Max. He looks a little nervous about his first day back.
I don't know if I'm ready for school.
Don't worry, Max. School is great. Let's sing a song about it.
Back to school, time to learn and make new friends.
Look, Max, we're at school now. Doesn't it look exciting?
I'm not sure, Luther.
Trust me, Max, you'll have a great time.
Welcome, class. Let's start by introducing ourselves.
Hi, I'm Max.
Hi, Max. I'm Emma. Want to sit together?
Sure.
Wow, look at Max go. He's already making friends.
Now let's learn about the alphabet.
A, B, C, D, learning is fun, you'll see.
This is great. I love learning.
Me too, Max. High five.
Time for recess, children.
Yay, recess.
This is the best day ever. I can't wait for tomorrow.
See, school is awesome. Time to head home, kids.
Back from school, learned so much. Isn't it cool?
What a fantastic first day back. See you tomorrow, friends.